How you can take back your send email in Outlook. You can say you can undo the send email action in Outlook. So let's start with the video, guys. Before you starting, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. So I just send some sample email to my another email ID. So I just type the email ID here. Okay. Okay, this is my another email ID. Just write subject sample and just send it. And okay, so I just send it. After send, you realize that you send by mistakenly mail or some wrong information you have input there, so you want to delete it or unsend it. So there is a one possibility, you can unsend it or delete it. So guys, you have to just go in send item and just find out this email which you have sent, just open it, and now you can unsend it. Just go to the file, under the file you can see the recall and resend. Just click on it and go to the recall this message. So before there is a two action you can take. First, delete unread copies of this message, and delete unread copies and replace with the new message. Okay, so why they are mentioned unread copies? Because you can only recall or delete the or replace the copies if your recipient haven't yet read this message. So you have to take this action as soon as possible, because this action only work only if your recipient not yet read this message. So just select the actions. If you want to delete, just click on delete. If you want to replace, you can just delete and replace this option. If you click on it, you have to take, you have to first you need to delete this or unread copy, then you can replace with the new message. And if you want to delete only, just select on this and just check mark on this icon, because once you okay, then you will get one notification that your action is succeed. Okay, so once you get the notification, that you get know that you have a successful recall, just click mark on it, just check mark this icon, just click it. Okay, so this will become the your try to recall this message on this. Okay, so once your action is succeed, you will get the one notification in inbox that your action has been succeed and the message has been recalled. Okay, it's take time. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.